Rosemary, also known by its scientific name Salvia rosmarinus, is a fragrant herb that belongs to the mint family. It is commonly used in cooking, but it also has many health benefits due to its strong nutritional and medicinal properties. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants. These compounds help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants in rosemary include rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and carnosol. These help reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system. Regular use of rosemary in the diet may help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce swelling in the body and may be useful for people with joint pain, arthritis, or muscle soreness. Drinking rosemary tea or using rosemary oil in massages can give relief from such conditions. This herb is also good for brain health. Studies suggest that rosemary may improve memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. A compound called 18-cineol found in rosemary may boost brain activity and increase alertness. It may also help slow down age-related cognitive decline, such as in Alzheimer's disease. Rosemary can help with digestion. It stimulates the production of bile, which is important for digesting fats. It also helps reduce bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. People with indigestion or poor appetite can benefit from adding rosemary to their meals or drinking it as tea. This herb has antimicrobial properties. It can fight bacteria and fungi, making it useful in preventing infections. Rosemary extract is sometimes used in natural food preservation because it helps stop the growth of harmful microbes. Rosemary is good for heart health. It can help improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. Carnosic acid in rosemary may also help reduce cholesterol levels and protect the arteries from damage. Including rosemary in the diet can support a healthy heart and reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack. Rosemary helps boost the immune system. The antioxidants and vitamins in the plant, especially vitamin C and vitamin A, strengthen the body's natural defense against illnesses. Regular consumption may reduce the frequency of colds and infections. It can also help control blood sugar levels. Some research has shown that rosemary may improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for managing type 2 diabetes. Including rosemary in a diabetic diet might help regulate glucose levels naturally. Rosemary supports liver health. It can help detoxify the liver and improve its function. The liver plays an important role in removing toxins from the body, and rosemary supports this process. It also helps in protecting the liver from damage caused by alcohol or certain medications. This herb is also known for improving mood and reducing stress. The aroma of rosemary alone can help reduce anxiety and uplift mood. It may lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in the body. Using rosemary essential oil in aromatherapy or adding it to bath water can create a calming effect. Rosemary is beneficial for skin and hair health. The antioxidants help slow down the signs of aging by reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Applying rosemary oil to the scalp can stimulate hair growth and improve blood flow to hair follicles. It can also reduce dandruff and prevent hair loss. In addition, rosemary may help with respiratory problems. Inhaling rosemary vapor or using it in steam therapy can relieve symptoms of cold, cough, and asthma. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it useful in soothing throat and lung infections. People with headaches or migraines may also benefit from rosemary. Drinking rosemary tea or massaging rosemary oil into the temples can relieve pain naturally. To enjoy the benefits of rosemary, it can be added fresh or dried to foods like roasted vegetables, soups, or meats. It can also be brewed into herbal tea or used as an essential oil. While rosemary is generally safe, it should be used in moderation, especially in concentrated oil form. So, rosemary is not just a flavorful herb for cooking. It is a natural remedy that supports the brain, heart, immune system, digestion, skin, and more. Adding rosemary to your daily routine is a simple and effective way to improve health and prevent many common diseases.